What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we have a 2022 Kia Sportage, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. Now, we are not actually putting a radio in here, but I am going to show you how to take this radio out, because I'm about to install a Sirius satellite radio, and I need to get back to the back of that radio for the antenna adapters for my FM adapter. So, you know how I like to do it. No muss, no fuss. Let's get right on into it. Dang, that rhyme. Okay, so first thing I want to do to make this easier is I want to actually shift this part back a little bit. I'm going to lift that up. I'm going to put my hand right here, and I'm going to pop up this part of the console. There we go. All right, now that's going to give me just a little bit more leeway to because this part is on top of this part, and this part has to come out next. So all right, y'all, let's pull this off first real quick. Got that Phillip right there. Y'all gotta bear with me because it is 2021 and this is a 2022. There are no videos on how to take this out, so I'm doing it for the first time myself. All right, so side panel off, one Phillip right there at the top. Should make it a little bit more easier to actually come forward. Even though you take that Phillip out, you still have these little tabs that they snap onto once it goes over. So we want to, there we go. Come on with it. This is only held in by clips. There is no screws behind this panel. Now, some of y'all are going to be a little bit upset because I went on ahead and popped it off, but I had to use two hands. This is a client's car. I didn't want to break it, so I had to put the camera down. But I have a pick tool. I have a panel removal tool with this type of curve, and even though I was able to get that bottom part off first, I stuck this part in like this, and I was able to actually use that pull in motion like that. So I had my top, one of my hands right here, trying to release the tension at the top as I was pulling at the bottom. Very, very light pressure, because you do not by any means want to break that panel, but it is only held in by clips. Now we are going to take that harness out and move this right here. Now, if you follow this channel, you know what I'm about to say. Passenger airbag light, we just disconnected. So guess what? By any means, we are not going to turn this ignition on, because when you do that and that's disconnected, you will shoot a code on the dash, and we don't want you to go to the dealership and have to pay them to clear that code out. Now that we're here, looks like we only have two Phillips holding this in, one on this side, one on this side. Now that we have that out, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some clips up under this holding it together. Okay, boom. All right. Okay, so not one piece as I thought. The older ones are all one piece, but that is the trim. I'm gonna set that down. Now we got this bad boy. Two Phillips on one side, two Phillip head screws on the other side, and then we'll have that radio out. All right, guys, so now we have those screws out. This next part is very important. We do not want to mess this screen up. So I got me a little old mat right here, and as we pull this out, we are going to, okay, so it doesn't come, I don't really want to disconnect none of that. I'm going to have to pull this mat up here a little bit. Hold on. I just pulled it up over the AC. That way it can sit on it, because like I say, we have our FM adapter, our forward and reverse antennas, and the only thing that we need to do is take the factory antenna out. All right, now that we have that factory antenna out, you want to take the female side, plug it into here, and then you want to take your male side and plug it into the back of the radio, which is right there. Yeah, man, so quick tip. Anytime you guys do a satellite radio and you're actually using the little Sirius XM radio with the docking station, get this FM adapter. It's going to make your sound quality 10 times better because it actually weakens. This is what I think it does. It weakens all the other stations, so when you actually use a station, it makes that one stronger and it comes out crystal clear. What does it actually do to the radio stations? I have no idea, but if you try to search a radio station while this thing is on, then you won't be able to pick them up. So that's what I think it does. Either way, that's about it, man. Like I said, it's not actually an install video. It is only a radio removal video because I need to get to that antenna back there in the back. But I say, hey, that's what I do on this channel. So if you have a 2022, hopefully this goes for the 2020 and the 2021s, if I'm not mistaken. Here you go. That's the radio removal. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. No product links in the description, but there will be Patreon links in the description if you want to be a furthermore supporter, get a chance to win some free car audio stuff. And I'm trying to build a community over there just to kind of help you guys out when you have other questions, because I don't see all the comments that come to this channel because I literally get like 30 a day, and if I mess around and don't check it within 3-4 days because I'm so busy, then I'm just backed up on comments. So I try to reply to as many comments as I can, but that Patreon is a platform that allows me to give some one-on-one coaching, and it's just better all the way around. But either way, appreciate you guys for watching this video. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day.